Dear viewers, thank you very much for play this video. I have appeared in front of you again today. Now you are in right place. Today I will present a motivational video for beginners. My topic today is about Illustrator and basic concepts of animation. Watch this video carefully and you will benefit even a little bit. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Adobe Illustrator is a software application for creating drawings, illustrations and artwork using a Windows or Mac OS computer. Illustrator was initially released in 1987 and it continues to be updated at regular intervals and is now included as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud. Illustrator is widely used by graphic designers, web designers, visual artists, and professional illustrators throughout the world to create high-quality artwork. Illustrator includes many sophisticated drawing tools that can reduce the time needed to create illustrations. How Adobe Illustrator is used. Adobe Illustrator is used to create a variety of digital and printed images including cartoons, charts, diagrams, graphs, logos, and illustrations. Illustrator allows a user to import a photograph and use it as a guide to trace an object in the photograph. This can be used to recolor or create a sketch-like appearance of a photograph. Illustrator also makes it possible to manipulate text in many ways, making Illustrator a useful tool for creating postcards, posters, and other visual designs which can use text and images together. Illustrator is ability to place text around a curve is especially useful for artists creating logos. Illustrator is also used in designing mock-ups which show what the website will look like when it's completed, and creating icons used within apps or websites. Illustrator and the Creative Cloud subscription but can also be licensed independently because it is part of the Creative Cloud. Artwork from Illustrator can be shared with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications including After Effects, InDesign, Photoshop and Premiere Pro. For example, users often create an initial piece of artwork in Illustrator and then import the artwork into Photoshop or After Effects. Illustrator user can also create an image Similarly, artwork can be imported from Photoshop into Illustrator where a final design can be assembled. Mixing text, illustrations and the imported image. Vector graphics in Adobe Illustrator. One of Adobe Illustrator's most important features is the quality of art created using Illustrator is independent of the resolution art which it is displayed. This means that an image created in Illustrator can be enlarged or reduced without sacrificing image quality. This is an attribute of vector artwork which uses mathematical relationships in describing lines, arcs, and other parts of an illustrator. By comparison, Photographs editing using tools such as Adobe Photoshop are resolution dependent and image quality decreases when an image is enlarged. A vector graphic is a set of polygons that make up the image, which are in turn composed of vectors. Each vector passes through a location known as a node or control point, which has a defined location on the x and y axis on a plan. This node determines the vector's path, which has various attributes such as color, curve, fill, shape, and thickness. The position of vectors can be related to each other by mathematical formulas, which precisely recalculate their position when an image is resized. This property of vector graphics is different when compared to imaging software such as Photoshop, which uses pixel grids to render images. When this type of image is scaled up sufficiently, the individual pixels comprising a bit map become visible. This phenomenon results in a loss of image quality known as pixelation, which makes Illustrator especially advantageous for creating large images such as a billboard sign. What is Illustrator CC? Illustrator CC is the version of Illustrator that's available through Creative Cloud, which is Adobe's cloud-based subscription service. The first version of Illustrator CC was Illustrator V17, which was released in 2013. Since then, each version of Illustrator CC has generally been designated as Illustrator CC 4X, where 4X is the year of release. The current version is Illustrator CC 2020. The most noticeable changes in Illustrator CC include the ability to sync and save documents to the cloud. Illustrator CC can also integrate with Behance, which is used by artists to showcase their work and portfolios. Illustrator CC also made changes to Illustrator's handling of fonts and the ability to sync and save color settings. Modern versions of Illustrator CC have added capabilities to use touchscreen compatible tools as well as create and save customized brushes. File format Illustrator can save. Illustrator's ability to create and modify vector images means that must also save files in vector graphics formats. Some of these formats include scalable vector graphics, portable document format, encapsulated PostScripts, Windows metafile, and vector markup language, which are detailed below. PDF is a file format that Illustrator can export. It allows for images and text to display independently of hardware, software, and OS. It encapsulates a complete description of flat documents with a fixed layout, including fonts, graphics, and text. The PDF format includes a structured storage system that combines these elements and compresses them into a single file. It also includes a subset of PostScript to generate the graphics and a system for associating fonts with the documents. If there is any mistake in my video, please comment. Any comments will make my way easier. Your valuable comments will motivate me to make new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. See you again next tutorial.